In this video, you'll learn how to successfully order products on eBay. By following these instructions, you will navigate the site effectively and complete your purchase with ease. Start by opening the eBay website or mobile app. If prompted, sign into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are signed in, locate the search bar, which is typically at the top of the page. Type in the name of the product you wish to buy and hit enter to view the search results. After the search results appear, take your time to browse through the listings. You can compare prices from different sellers to find the best deal. It is crucial to carefully read each product description, as this provides important information about the item. Additionally, check the seller's rating, which is often displayed next to their name. This rating helps ensure you are purchasing from a reliable seller. Once you find the item that meets your needs, click on the listing to open the product page. On the product page, you will see the price, shipping details, and estimated delivery time. If the item is available for immediate purchase, look for the button labeled "Buy it now" and click on it. Some listings may offer the option to add the item to your cart first, giving you the ability to continue shopping. If the item is part of an auction, you will need to place a bid instead. Choose the option that aligns with your purchasing preference and confirm the product details before moving forward. After selecting your purchase option, you will be directed to the checkout page. Here, confirm your shipping address to ensure your order is sent to the correct location. Next, choose your payment method, which could be a credit card or any other available option. It is important to review the order summary at this stage to verify that all details, including the item, price, and shipping information, are accurate. Once you've confirmed the payment method and order details, submit your order. The system will process your purchase and a confirmation message will appear on the screen indicating that your order has been successfully placed. You can later track your order through your purchase history to stay updated on its status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.